Okay, so right now we are going to be working on the car. I'm going to try to take apart the center console of the vehicle to be able to install the extra button for my radar detector. There you go. So it looks like it's a simple clip here, clip here, clip here, here, and here. So it does not look too complicated to take apart. So there. There you go. So I was able to pry this here and pop it open, and this pops right out. Right here, have to slide out in order to come out. There we go. We were trying to get this tab out of here. Just kind of flip it around enough that you can get a T7 tool or a torque in there and get these out. This one and fit it in here. And we just kind of slide it like this. And this cable comes out of there. And look at that. We're gonna have to slide this cable down here, through here, onto here, so we can run it behind the dashboard or the firewall. So essentially you have to install this. The cables will run down to the side and then they will go underneath it all the way through. The ground cable will be hooked to here or literally anywhere in the car that makes contact with the chassis, as that will be your ground. The next cable is going to your radar detector up top, but you're going to kind of run it through here, underneath here, all the way throughout. As you can see, a little bit is coming out, but there's enough that you can actually tuck underneath it. See how this comes out? Kind of just hide it. And I ran it through here. I made room by opening this up a little bit and then running it through here into here. Now the red cable goes through here behind the dashboard into your fuse box, which I'm about to show you here in a little bit. Okay, so I managed to run the positive into this port. Initially in the video I had attached it to this port right here, but I did realize that this one stays on all the time, so you don't want to drain your battery using this one. Now you could test different ones. I didn't bother checking to see which one was which. I went ahead and used this one right here. It was open. It is a positive, and also does allow for the vehicle to cut the power off whenever the ignition is turned off. Then the negative, the second cable that goes to the actual unit, I ran it through here and alongside here behind the dock, this plastic trim right here, and all the way around into the actual unit. So it's a good way to be able to flash mount it and at the same time have a good design where you can utilize this right here. So again, negative, positive controller.